ना होगा तो बता देना।
1 मिनट रुकना खाली।
1 मिनट में चले ही जाएंगे 4 बजे।
पीपीटी आप बाद में देख लेना, जब अपन इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे ना उस समय पूछ लेना पीपीटी मेरे सामने पे।
नहीं, शेयरिंग मेरा को नहीं मिल रहा है क्या?
मिला ना,
अभी वो
दिया ना मैंने।
नहीं ना, यू कैन नॉट शेयर भाई। अच्छा,
अभी
अदर कोई स्क्रीनिंग ये कर रहा है, ठीक है
अभी मेरा चल रहा है ना।
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है अनिल भाई, ठीक है। मेरे को खाली
लाइव हो
पीपीटी
गए शांति।
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Digital Do Big Forum brought to you by Tata Tele Business Services. This is Anil Chaube, your host for the day, and I hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself and your families. Do Big Forum is a learning and awareness platform where we try and address few of the most critical technology subject and bring forth an opportunity to interact with technology and solution expert. With a changing digital ecosystem at work, it is necessary for organization to stay ahead of competition, continue to drive better customer experience, be resilient, agile, and adaptive. While work gets smarter, customer experiences are getting reimagined, becoming more dynamic, personalized, interactive, and engaging. And we, as a Tata Tele Business Services, is committed to work closely with organizations of all sizes by bringing new and innovative solutions which reduce the gap between business and customer and drive better efficiency. In this pursuit, today we have brought an interesting topic, especially for business and IT leaders like you. The topic will help us to understand the importance of bringing technology in customer communication space and how a right solution can raise a bar in driving wow customer experiences. So before starting the session, I would like to take few opinion of yours via poll. So I would request each one of you to please visit on your window. At right side, there will be a tab, poll tab, on which you have to click and few questions will be there on your screen. I would request each one of you to please click on the poll tab, which is available on the screen at the right side, and you will be able to see first poll question, which is what are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? I'm repeating, what are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? Digital transformation, COVID disruptions, availability of finance, business continuity and operational resiliency, business growth and expansion. We have 30 seconds to vote for this first poll. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Moving on the next poll. What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? Hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology like software and hardware, upgrading infrastructure, operations, marketing and sales. We have 30 seconds to vote for this poll. I would request each one of you to please participate in the poll. 20 seconds left. Ten seconds left. Moving on the next poll. Which of the following Tata Tele services offering are you aware of? Which of the following Tata Tele services offering are you aware of? Collaboration solutions like Zoom, web conferencing solutions, Smart Flow, IoT solutions, connectivity solutions, cloud and SaaS, security solutions. We have 30 seconds to vote for the last poll. 20 seconds left. Ten seconds left. Thank you for participating in poll. So before starting the session, I would like to communicate this session will be for next 45 minutes, followed by the question and answer. And all the attendees will be on mute and listen mode only. And if you have any query during the session, I would request all of you to please write your query in Q&A box, and we will take each question after the session. So without taking much time, now I would quickly introduce to our eminent speaker, Mr. Amit Chadda, Senior Manager Marketing from Tata Tele Business Services. And I would request him to please take the session ahead. Amit sir.
Thank you, Anil. Hope my voice is clear and you're able to hear it properly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amit Chadda, and I will be taking you through modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solutions. So this is basically a very challenging time, and every organizations are facing big time challenges to improve their operational efficiencies and growth. Also, the economy of organizations are disturbed due to this pandemic. But during this pandemic, there are telecom companies who are playing a very critical role and enabling you to run your business efficiently during work from home or you can say work from anywhere. And Tata Tele Business Services is one of them. So I start with a quote like in the long history of humankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise most efficiently, said by Charles Darwin. You learn, you live, you evolve. Product needs to evolve in order to meet the rising needs of the market. So agenda for the day would be, I will be covering some little bit of technology landscape, SME landscape, challenges faced by SMEs, and the products and solutions which are given by Tata Tele Business Services, which can be useful for you. Followed by question and answers. The only thing that is constant is change. So we hear it often, and it is so often that we have stopped paying attention to it. So I've added one more phrase to it called as disruption. So now it's like the only thing that is constant is change and disruption. So what's happening to the SMEs? So like SMEs, what are the key technology trends, or you can say which are enabling the agility of SMEs? That includes BCP, that is business continuity plan, cloud, and security. So most of the SMEs are wanted to you go on the cloud and use the cloud services. Also, majority of the SMEs are looking for the security features, and they are shifting from normal PC setup to a hybrid security and cloud model. So redefining the business continuity plan, that is BCP, SMEs are looking for lower business interruption cost. They want to act according to the plan. They want to resume their operations immediately. Again, they want to have the full-fledged start for their plants. They want to have the fulfilled regulatory compliance, security, which is getting critical as people are working from home, data sharing, and other things. And they also want to create an integrated risk management system by themselves. So these are some of the challenges, or you can say business continuity plan, which SMEs are looking forward. Moving on to the challenges of business challenges that are due to COVID-19 pandemic. So employee tracking. So keeping a track on the employee to work to follow work from home protocol is a challenge. Collaboration, unable to connect to a distance team member face to face meetings, unable to connect to the customers face to face. Accessibility to servers and applications, as most of them are working from home, we are unable to access office data, servers, applications, because that has been given to some limited employees. Physical travel to office or iMobile, unable to access office infrastructure, lack of security. Accessibility to voice infrastructure, that is unable to access PBX voice regulation due to voice regulations. So these are some of the business challenges due to COVID-19 pandemic. It isn't disruption if you're ready for it. Disruption is coming. The difference between panic and poise is preparation. By going digital, you give your organization the ability and agility to turn disruption into opportunities. So basically, the companies who were using digital means were less impacted rather than the companies who are not using any digital means in this during this pandemic. So just to give you a figure, like digital adoption by the Indian SME. So smart digital adoption is the key for unlocking the full potential of the SMEs and SMBs. 43% of the SMEs use various internet platforms to sell and promote themselves. 75% of the SMEs in India believe that digital adoption is the key of success. 73% of the Indian SMBs are confident of bouncing back post-COVID. And this data is from SMEstreets.in. Now moving on to the guidelines. So five simple rules or five simple guidelines on technology for SME. First is rent it, do not own it, because obsolescence is a huge burden. Technology is not a real estate that will appreciate. Select fit for purpose versus scale down large solution. SME needs are unique and simple. SME business process evolve constantly. Build as you grow, pay as you use. Unused capacity is costly. Use your capex to grow your core business. Ensure there is a support, because IT talent is expensive, and ensure support is linked to your spends and it is not a fixed cost. And last is look for integrated solutions versus silos of product. In general, the cost of integration is 10x the cost of the products. And onus will be on you to ensure that everything fits together. So moving on to the smart solution, what does these smart solutions mean to you? So first, I would like to talk about Tata Tele Business Services. So strengths of Tata Tele Business Services, we have 60,000 plus connected buildings. We have 1,25,000 plus kilometer of optical fiber. This optical fiber is used for connecting the SMEs for digital transformation. Also, we have 1,000 plus strong enterprise team, 40,000 plus SME business customers we have. We have 1500 plus channel partner team and 60 plus cities we are present in. Moving on to the product portfolio by Tata Tele Business Services, or you can say smart solutions, which can help you to improve your business. So first is connectivity. We have portfolio called this connectivity. In connectivity, we have ILL, MPLS, lease line, smart office, PRI, SIP, MPLS, smart internet. For security solutions, we have email security, endpoint security, virtual firewall, multiple authentication, and web security. Collaboration, we have document management, we have international bridging, we have webcasting and conferencing services. For cloud and SaaS, we have a managed hosting, preparation test, security, secure connect, cloud CRM. And also what we have done is we have added one smart flow, that is our cloud communication suite in our portfolio. So this is our new product launch, that is our cloud communication suite. Moving on to the next, that is basically the marketing solutions. So we have call register services, we have digital service, we have hosted IVR, we have live chat, we have SMS options, toll-free services. And for IoT solutions, we have asset management, you can say fleet management, school bus tracking, workforce tracking. So I'm not going to touch base on all the products. I'm going to, touch base on some of the product which may be of use, or you can say relevant in the current scenario. So moving on to the product, first product comes is smart internet. Everyone knows what internet is, right? So we cannot live without internet in the current scenario. So smart internet is basically, we have started this services considering work from home. So there were a lot of organizations who were not able to access their office internet during work from home due to security reasons. So we have provided we are providing the customers with end-to-end solutions, wherein we are provisioning ILL along with UTM, that is Unified Threat Management, and also along with the VPN client. So once this infrastructure is in place, then the work from home users can access all their internet applications. So smart internet is a secure VPN access. It has remote access from home and commitment of 99.5%. That is a SLA. So you can enjoy uninterrupted internet connections at home, which is purely secure internet. So some of the features of smart internet, it is one-stop solution. It is one-stop solution for all your needs of bandwidth manageability. It guaranteed peace of mind in terms of financial and business benefit due to technical capabilities. Freedom from worries like difficulty in ownership, you don't have to do anything. Deployment, router management, and configuration is done by Tata Tele Business Services. Features, it is like it is plug and play. It is user authentication. It provides you with the secure VPN access, and it is next generation geo enhance, and also provides you with the security. In terms of financial feature, it comes with a zero capex. You only high return on investment. It reduces operation cost and better employee productivity. So, and for the business, it is like business continuity, work from home, or work from field, or on the go, scalability as per business need, and this particular product is a future ready product. So here we have bundled internet along with UTM, that is Unified Threat Management, and we are providing internet along with security features. So smart digital adoption is the key of unlocking the full business potential. So smart internet is bundled with UTM with no additional cost here. It is cost effective, affordable monthly rental that starts with 249 per user. It is totally scalable. It can, starts from 15 users and go up to 5,000 users. It has wide range of bandwidth. It is available for all the bandwidths from 10 Mbps to 500 Mbps as a standard offering. Feature rich with zero capex, no capex investment, and comes with the security of UTM. It is plug and play, which is easy to install and supports laptop and mobiles. So just to give you a case study on smart internet. So basically, there is an operational management company which has a global presence, Across the world, they are giving 14 by 7, 365 capabilities, and they are into marine operations. They wanted a reliable remote access solution by which they can connect to their international clients as well as the office locations in India to serve the customers in the timely manner. So how we help? We provided customers with our smart internet, which is complete solution compromising of remote access, managed security, and security-backed UTM. They evaluated our expertise in providing the current edge solutions in this space and deployed remote access for their employees to keep them updated for every minute, and they are giving updates to the customers. So this particular product is called as smart internet, that is internet along with security. So moving on to the next product, that is smart office. So a smart office is basically a one-stop shop for your office setups. So smart office is basically the one box startup which gives you voice, data, storage, and application. So this is a box, a kind of a box which can give you voice, data, Wi-Fi. You can have office applications installed, business applications. It also gives you firewall. It also has it is a IoT enabled box. Also, it gives you conferencing, and you can also have a toll free number on this particular box. So this particular box is called as smart office. So in the current scenario, setting up a new business or an office is not easy. So SMEs have to start with first they have to start with a bandwidth like a broadband, and then depending upon the size of the employees, they can upgrade to the ILL. They require hardware for storage. They require data and information security. They require equipment router, Wi-Fi, PBX, LAN, etc. for connectivity. Also, they require best quality of voice and data, which is getting expensive day by day. They will require office business application. And to manage all this, they require a specialized IT resource. So here we have a product called a smart office in which you're getting all the features, and this particular box we are giving free of cost. Only you have to pay for the services. When I say services, it is the bandwidth which you are looking for. It starts with 4 Mbps, 6 Mbps, 8 Mbps, 10 Mbps. Along with you get a channels also for the voice connectivity path. So smart office proposition. It is a one-stop solution for communication and application need. It is an integrated solution. You don't have to pay no capex and no MC. And this particular product is a future-ready product. So some of the advanced call management features of the smart office are inbuilt auto-attended. It delivers pre-recorded greeting message 24/7 to the callers. Inbuilt voicemail. Caller can leave their recorded message if the call is unanswered. So no business call will be missed, resulting in productivity improvement. Voice recording. Solutions within the box allows to record all internal and external communications and can help to check if your usage of communication system is working and ensure no wrong commitments are made to the client. This can also be used for training and audit purpose as well. Call management. Host of standard PBX calling features like call forwarding, call conferencing, waiting, call transferring, etc. can be managed through smart office. In terms of value proposition, so smart office supports 96 telephone extensions, wherein 32 extensions are analog extensions, wherein you can connect your analog phone, and rest 64 extensions are IP extensions, and you can connect IP phone as well, whether it's a soft phone or a hard phone. So it has best of both the worlds. When I say best of both the worlds, you can have IP phone as well, and you can connect analog phone as well. It reduces telecom cost of the daily communication of the organizations, and also, like giving example, your MD might require a IP phone, okay, or might be a video phone, but your guard may require a analog phone. So depending upon the persons, you can fix the instrument for the same. This particular product is called as smart office. So smart office fulfills the need of new startups, SOHOs upgrading from broadband, new brand setups, business upgrading their legacy, that is hardware and software. So this particular product is called as Smart Office. So Smart Office will give you voice, data, Wi-Fi, office application, business application, conferencing, and this particular box is a IoT enabled box. Moving on to the next product, that is toll-free services. In the current scenario, most of us are working from home, so these services can be availed. So there are two types of toll-free numbers available in India, starting from 1800 and 1860. 1800 is a full toll-free number, while 1860 is a partial toll-free number. So you need to pay local call charges to the company. So call free, that is 1800 series number. It is free for the customers, full cost to the company. Call local, that is 1860. It is local call to the cost to the customer as per minute as per agreement cost to the company. So that particular number series is 1860. So features of toll-free services: it has geography based of point of call routing, it has time-based routing, proportional call distribution, it balances call load at various locations, optimizes call center and manpower cost. It also has condition-based routing. Caller never hears a busy signal, no calls are missed, and customers are serviced all 365 days. Also, you have pin-based routing. It gives customized treatment to each caller, screens all incoming calls, and optimizes call center and manpower cost. So why to have our toll-free services? So basically, Tata Tele Business Services, we have pan-India coverage. We provide 24 by 7 monitoring by our network operating center. Our state-of-art digital networks allow quick and easy rerouting during emergencies. Also, TTL USP is providing iServe web portal wherein you can route different kind of routings by your own, and you don't have to depend on TTL for the same. So this particular product is called as toll-free services. So in the current scenario, at the time of pandemic of COVID, so it was not easy. So there were a lot of questions like how do we set up a distributed call center setup quickly, or when we are working from home, how do we set up a distributed call center? How do we mask call of employees calling clients from their personal numbers? As face-to-face interactions have reduced, how do we connect better with the clients? Like most of the people working from home don't want, they should be calling from their personal mobile numbers to the client. So we come up with a solution called as hosted IVR. So hosted IVR basically it's a very good solution for work from home users. By using those solutions, you can make and receive calls during work from home. We can provide toll-free number or TN, whichever your customers can direct dial, and call can be directly routed on your mobile phones. So generally, this solution was used by a customer care type of setup, but we have done some customization and enabled it during work from home scenario. So why hosted IVR required? First is you can work from anywhere. It gives you better ROI than on-site. It is easy to scale up and down, and it also gives you reports and compliances. So hosted IVR or interactive voice response is a cloud-based voice application that allows business to efficiently connect with its customers. Like press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, press 3 for billing. So setting up a hosted IVR is very simple. It can be set up within hours. So some of the features of hosted IVR are seamless customer connect. So agents can receive customer calls on their mobile while working from home. It also has dynamic call routing. So termination numbers can be changed in few seconds on their own. Call hunting to multiple agents. So if one number is busy, the other can answer the call. And you can also track your team's performance, call quality, missed call analytics, that too on real-time basis. This product is called as hosted IVR. So just to give you a case study of IVR, so basically there was a company, a global design and engineering services company. So the company was looking to switch from desk-based to a cloud-based IVR to help their employees with IT issues in the new work from home scenarios, because they recently shifted. Earlier we used to have phones at the desk. So the TTBS what solution we provided were, So earlier, basically, this company were working in two shifts, that is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And again, from second shift starts with 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. So TTPS helped them with designing, providing customers with separate call hunting group numbers. That is morning shift, the call is routed to one group of number, and evening, the call is routed to a different group of numbers. So as I said, it can be deployed very fast. So deployment was done very fast and to meet the customer's deadline. The benefit what customers got was business continuity during lockdown, better employee satisfaction, and it is an efficient and cost-effective solution. So this particular product is called as hosted IVR. So moving on to the next product, that is international bridging. So international bridging services, as the name suggests, this is useful for employees who are making international calls while working from home without any ISD package, or this is a special solution for work from home and users. If you are if you are making international calls, or if you are managing international projects or interacting with international customers, then this is a best solution for your business. This is end-to-end PSTN solution, so you will be getting a good voice quality through international bridging services. So some of the key features are: it is optimized ISD cost, it avoids purchase and prevent misuse of costly ISD minutes, it has a secure calling, it is simple to use. Employees can call from anywhere and any phone. No need to install any app. Privacy. It protects privacy of the employee's personal number by masking it on the international call as well. So this particular product is called as international bridging services. So moving on to the next product, that is hosted OBD. So hosted OBD is basically an automated outbound dialing solution on a hosted platform that significantly reduces the turnaround time required to set up a customer experience business process, since the necessary infrastructure is available and ready to use. So this is a platform wherein you can send recorded voice message to a large number of people. Generally, you have seen during the time of elections, you receive a call and hear recorded message of any politician. So this is the same platform. Also, you can use this platform to take customer feedbacks after recorded message. So this particular product is used by service industries, by manufacturing industries, ITS, bankings, politicians, and also by hospitals as well. So some of the features of hosted OBD is like it is available as a web-based and API service. It has a campaign lifecycle management tool. It has a D&D management. Also, it has a DTMF input integration, online call flow designer to create and manage customized call flow. So some of the advantages of hosted OBD: first is no capital investment, techno-grade services, high reliability, cloud solution, and professional services. Just to give you a case study on hosted OBD, so basically the company again there was a company called as ASUS. The customer is having a huge volume requirement for the customer service and support, and required to manage excessively large volume of incoming calls of customers, that is 3,000 to 4,000 calls in a day. Again, this company was looking to switch from their old traditional desk-based to a cloud-based IVR to help their employees with IT issues in the new work from home scenarios. So what TTB has done was, so we provided the customer with toll-free numbers for parallel business to manage large call volumes, receiving calls from anywhere in the country based on business process and requirement, audio conferencing to provide one-stop solution for all the collaboration needs of the company, high-speed internet lease line connectivity for business efficiency. So this particular product is called as hosted OBD. So moving on to the next product, that is security solutions. So why cyber security is required? Cyber security is required, while browsing net, while protecting company servers, while checking emails, while working from home. So Tata Tele Business Services are providing security portfolio, and in this security portfolio, we are providing email security, endpoint security. We are also providing virtual firewall and multiple authentication, and also web security. So you must have heard that there has been a rise in cyber attacks since COVID-19 outbreak. So the BSE has also warned about cyber attacks amid coronavirus lockdown. Checkpoint researchers discovers hackers pushing coronavirus app to take over the Android devices. So why cybersecurity is required? So basically, it is required to protect your applications and hardware. So we have full suite of cybersecurity solutions which can help you to protect your application, email, and hardware like laptop, mobile phone, and servers. So some of the components of security offerings in terms of product are data security, endpoint, network security. In terms of services, it is consulting, testing, operations, and incident response. So we talk about endpoint security. So endpoint security is very important for every organization to protect their assets during work from home. Endpoint security can play a great role here. It is kind of antivirus software, but it is more than a antivirus. And it can also work as a soft firewall, and you can configure firewall policy as well. So component of the solutions comes with the solution software applications, analytics, admin portal, and cloud hosting. So endpoint security, the product set, or you can say the device which are supported for endpoint security are, it is Windows PC, desktop, laptop servers, Mac operating systems, Android smartphones, features like antivirus, it is anti-spyware, anti-ransomware, firewall, URL filtering, full disk encryptions, role-based administration. So this particular product is called as endpoint security. So this particular is powered by Trend Micro. So like we have done the partnership with the Trend Micro because we want all the SMEs to get all the facilities whichever is required by ITES companies in the or you can say ICT companies to get under the single umbrella, that is a TTBS umbrella. So here is a quick comparison on the product. So you must be seeing Dubik. So basically Dubik is Tata Tele Business Services endpoint security. So we are providing all the features at the competitive rates vis-a-vis competition. So all the features we are providing. And we want these services. We have added this, we have done this partnership to add this security portfolio in our portfolio. Moving on to the next product, it is Smart Flow. So Smart Flow, Smart Flow is our cloud telephony solution, which we have recently launched. And this particular telephony solution is 100% hosted solutions, and there is no infra required like EPBX and physical connectivity like PRI, SIP trunk at your office. So you can save a huge cost here. Huge infrastructure cost here you can save. All the features generally used in case of in-house setup, all are available in SmartFlow. You can make dial-out call to the customers. You can receive incoming calls for your customers, call transfer, call whisper, call bargain. Feature is also available. Also, we support API integration so that we can integrate this with your applications like CRM, SMS, SMS, WhatsApp, etc. Also, we are offering a multiple level IVR and call broadcasting by this proposition. All the incoming and outgoing calls can be recorded for your training and audit purposes. Also, you can find a complete CDR report and missed call information through a portal with a single click. This is also a very good solution for the work from home users. So why to have Smart Flow? So first, it is anywhere, anytime communication. It allows business minds to go further away from their cubicles. It is a cloud-based telephony solution. It frees employees from their desk. It allows employee to communicate on the go. It reduces operation and capital expenses. No bulky infrastructure and storage, only cloud and phone is required. You can dial out from your laptops or through your mobiles as well. Work across devices from landlines to smartphones, no infrastructure and maintenance cost. You get enterprise grade security and reliability, RESTful API features, that is click to call, and number masking is provided with this particular solution, that is SmartFlow. You get 99.5% uptime with business continuity. On-demand scalability, it is ultra flexible, enables you to adapt quickly. You can start with 10 to 15 channels. Depending, if you want to increase it, you can increase it. If you want to decrease it, you can decrease it. It works efficiently in changing business conditions. It enhances customer experience, provides seamless and frictionless customer experiences. AI manages call routing with smart IVR menus, plug and play API integrations with multiple applications. Also, you get reports and analytics to track agents and progress report, call note, live calls, and data insight. Voice to text keyword mapping and sentiment and analysis can also be done here. So why SmartFlow? So SmartFlow, with this SmartFlow, we provide you with inbound solution. When we say inbound solution, it is toll-free numbers, multiple IVRs, virtual numbers, CRM integrations, extension-based routing, user input, and API integration. You also get click-to-call solutions like click-to-call from panel, from website, OTP-based calling, number masking, outbound with call transfer to the agent, and call patching services. Also, you get COD verification services. You also get missed call solutions, SMS-based services, OTP-based calling, missed call with outbound integration, missed call with the IVR flow as well. Also, OBD solutions, that is DTMF-based outbound blast. If you want to send a message to the customers, you can send it through OBD solutions, unlimited routing level, integration of outbound and inbound flow as well. So this particular product is SmartFlow. You can also ask for the demo for this product. It is one of the best product which we have launched, and this is 100% you can say hosted solution and a cloud telephony solution. So moving on to the next product, that is Zoom. So Zoom, some partnerships are game changing. So you must be wondering like how Tata Telebusiness Services are selling Zoom. Again, we have done some partnership with Zoom because we want all the products which are used by SMEs under one single umbrella, and that too through Tata Telebusiness Services. So as you know, like TTBS, we are leading provider of digital solutions. TTBS has a deep understanding of customer needs in the SME and enterprise segments, and our partnership with Zoom will provide business with highly unified communication solution. And with these solutions, businesses can be put all their communication concerns to us and gain access to the best of both the worlds, including trusted services, user-friendly interfaces, and robust security. So Zoom products. So Zoom comes with two products. One is Zoom Meeting. Second is Zoom Webinar. So you can engage your audience with a flawless technology. You can host online events with up to 100 interactive video participants and 10,000 plus attendees. Automatically, it records event for use and publish. Also, you can use it to do Zoom Meeting. So Zoom meetings, you can send one-on-one, and you can use this features as well. So this particular event is also done via Zoom platform. So some of the advantages are it has one-stop shop for SMEs. So TTBS has a range of services, solutions, offerings which empowers SME and help them accelerate their digital transformation journey. It has robust security. It can protect all your meetings with multiple layer of security, that is password protection. Also, you get a trusted services, managed services by reporting by TTBS and with a comprehensive SLAs. It also gives you user-friendly interface. It is simple to use and simple and easy to use all the products and tools for seamless collaboration across office and work from home scenarios. So some of the features of Zoom meetings are, so basically it has security. You can protect all your meeting with multiple layer of security. It has advanced data protection. All your data is protected by communication established via 256-bit TLS encryptions. unlimited meetings. You can operate with no constraint and schedule as many meetings as you want. Live transcriptions. It enables seamless cross-cultural interactions by using our in-meeting transcription features. Cloud-based recording. Recording can be stored either locally or on the cloud-based storage facility. You also get widespread authentication tool. Apart from supporting SAML, authentication, and other password-based authentication methods, Zoom also provides two-factor multi-authentication tool. Remote device control allows a fellow participant to temporarily control your keyboard and mouse to facilitate complicated exchange and interactions over web. Superior meeting experience. You get a Zoom with Zoom services features, high definition videos, interactive meetings, background noise cancellation, and continuous performance optimizations, all of which contributes to a superior web conferencing experience for you. So these are the features of Zoom. It can be Zoom meetings or it can be Zoom webinars. So that's it from my side. Hope these smart solutions will help you to improve your operation efficiencies and growth. If you have any questions, I would be happy to answer you. And also to just to give you idea, like you can visit our website, that is www.tatatelebusiness.com. uh, in that particular website, you will get all the details what is required by SMEs. You will get case studies, you will get all the product information, you can download white paper, all the things what can be useful for you, how this smart solution will help you to improve your operational efficiencies depending upon the product you can select. Also, you can touch base us to LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter handles like @Tata Telebiz, Just Do Big, and has the hashtag Time to Do Big. So that's it from my side. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amit sir, for such a wonderful session and the insight on smart solution, security, Zoom, Cloud Connect, and Smart Flow products. So we come to the last but important section of the event, which is answering your queries. So I would request each one of you to please keep posting your question in chat window. We will be happy to address and answer all the questions. And meanwhile, we would like to have one last poll and few survey questions, which is important for us. So I would request each one of you to please click again on the poll button. You will be able to see one last poll question. The question is, which of our product and solutions are of your interest? Which of our product and solutions are of your interest? Cybersecurity solutions, IoT solutions, voice connectivity for remote access, dedicated internet bandwidth, and Zoom. We have 30 seconds to vote for this last poll. 20 seconds left. Ten seconds left. Thank you so much for your participating in poll. Akshay, do you have any question?
Sir, as of now, there is no question.
So I would request each of the participants to please click on the poll button again so that you will be able to see few survey question. And I would request each one of you to please give your feedback of that survey question. That questions are very much important for us. First survey question is, please rate the overall experience of the event. Please rate the overall experience of the event. Excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. We have 20 seconds. Moving on the next survey question. Please rate the quality of a speaker for the event. Please rate the quality of a speaker for the event. Excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. We have 20 seconds to give feedback for this second question? Moving on the third feedback question. Please rate the product insight of the event. Excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. We have 20 seconds to give your valuable feedback for the third survey question. Moving on the last survey question, which is please rate the online experience of the event. Excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. We have 20 seconds to give your valuable feedback for the last survey question. Thank you so much for the participating in survey question. Akshay, any questions as of now on the screen?
No, sir. There is no question, sir.
So with this, I thank you, our eminent speaker, for their great insight, and thank you, audience, for the joining the session on time. So with this, we are ending the webinar here, and I would request each one of you to please stay safe and eat healthy and be healthy. Thank you so much, Amit sir and Akshay.
Thank you, Anil.